Hey guys, just got my Mow Garment Rack in the mail, so figured I'm getting ready to open it up, so I would do it in front of you so you can see what comes in the box. So quick look inside here. Got that and all of your metal pieces to assemble the rack. You have a pack of casters and a hardware pack in here, so an Allen wrench and a couple of bolts, some styrofoam, a couple more legs or braces, and then some tubing for the assembly. So that's pretty much it. It looks like it will be a pretty easy assembly, and I can go ahead and pull off this plastic to give you a little bit better look at the color and everything. But for the most part, it looks like it will be pretty easy to install. Looks like there's some holes where things will snap together, and then, like I said, just a couple bolts to hold everything in place.